Sometimes your tongue and groove OSB is a real pain in the butt and doesn't like to go together, and the tongues are all frayed or whatever. And this wasn't used old stuff. This was brand new, right from the building supply place. But that's the way it comes. And then getting it together when you're by yourself is difficult sometimes if you're trying to line things up. So I've come up with what I think is an ingenious method of doing this. Put a screw in so that I can level that up. But when I do that, I can't obviously bang on the other end of this. So I have a ratchet strap. And we're going to try to suck these together this way. Here goes nothing. Oh, I see my problem over there. Wasn't quite lined up. I just need to get it started in the groove, which I think it is, and then I can bang it in from there. So always use a board so you don't smash up your... Huzzah! It worked. Always find ways of working by yourself. So that's got the tongue in there. I got to bang it in, obviously, the rest of the way. But sometimes a little creativity helps. And once again, I've got my hammer, my ratchet strap, screw, holding the tongue and groove level. So the ratchet strap becomes a helping hand. There it goes. Is there anything you can't do with a ratchet strap?